For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to press and hold your power button and it will turn on your flashlight. So this is a really important, much more important than what people might think. You have your phone with you at all times. You need to have a flashlight of some sort, and this is an excellent way to have and to carry, of course, a flashlight at all times with you. So let's just dig right in on how to do this. So what you want to do, you can have also, this will work on any Samsung phone that goes back a ways. Now, simply because they updated the file GoodLock is what you need to download. But now they made this available for any Samsung phone that is not only in the Samsung store, but you can now get it in the Google Play Store. So you want to download an app first called GoodLock. And if you don't have this, get it. It's an amazing app. I'm going to go over more of the plugins. Each one of these are different plugins. And the nice thing is they don't interfere with other apps and other things. It's made by Samsung for Samsung. So they intertwine and work really, really well with everything else on the phone. So it makes it extremely more powerful. And the one we're looking for is Registar, R-E-G-I star. So let's go ahead and tap that. It might download. I already have it obviously downloaded on mine, so it's already there. The first setting, the setting we're interested in is side key press and hold action. So you're going to want to turn that from off to on. Now, here's a cool thing. You can do any of this by just the side press and hold. You can do any of these things. Not quite sure why they have none. You're turning it on, you want something, so none is an option. Take and share a screenshot, access your Google Voice Assistant, which would be turning on your Gemini, stuff like that. Turn on or off flashlight, so I have that on. Turn on or off auto rotate, turn on or off live caption, mute, etc., or even open an app. So if you like to open one app all the time, press and hold your power button, bam, open the app up, it opens up. So just to demonstrate this, I'm going to turn this on. Okay, it's on. So I'm going to press and hold, and now you can't see the light, but at the top you can see flashlight turned on. So I'm going to press and hold it again. And yeah, I'm still recording. I thought I stopped recording. So tap here is, yeah. So now my light is off. So I'll press it again, turns it on. Press it again, turns it off. So it's really, really a neat and powerful feature that you have it on hand all the time. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.